What's going on YouTube? Beast Trading Cards here. Today I'm opening up this 2021 to 2022 Select Blaster Box. In these you can get flash prisms. If you want to pause and look to see what you could get, here you go. So in these you get 4 cards per pack, 6 packs. So let's get started. I haven't opened one of these before, so I don't know what they look like. So here we get, toss the box aside. Oh, one more pack. So, you want to open up this one first. 4 cards per pack. So here we get. So the main rookie we're trying to get is Scotty Barnes, because he got Rookie of the Year. So, Gary Trent Jr., Nikola Jokic, Anthony Davis, and a holo Luka Garza. Nice look at that one. Not numbered of anything, but it's a nice rookie refractor. Going to sleeve that one up. That is our first sleeved card of the day. Set it back there. Next pack. So, see what you get in the second pack. We have a Zion Williams, a Russell Westbrook, a Franz Wagner. I'm going to set that down here, and a Jordan Clarkson orange refractor. That's another good one. Is it numbered? It's not numbered. Still another good refractor. I'm going to sleeve this one up too. Got these 2 in the back. We are having pretty good refractor luck. We're getting a lot of refractors. I don't see one in this one though. Luka Doncic, Bojan Bogdanovic, Nikola Venzovic, Alfred Payton. That's what we got in this pack. A nice refractor. Sleeve that one up. Grab the sleeve. And there we go. Set that one back here. We are halfway into the box. So hopefully we can get some more cards, some more rookies. Let's see what we get. First, we have a Kevin Durant. Straighten out these cards back here. Joe Harris. Victor Oladipo. Joshua Primo. It's a nice rookie refractor. I'm going to sleeve that one up. Set that one back here. So, 2 more packs left. These are the cards, our refractors we've gotten. So those are our good cards so far. Next pack. So in this one we have a Quentin Grimes, Corey Kispert, Jordan Clarkson, same guy, and a Jason Tate orange refractor. Another refractor. These cards look nice, so we have a whole bunch of refractors in this. So hopefully next pack we can get a really good player of the refractor. So let's hope we have some last pack magic and see what we get. We have a Jason Tate, same guy. A Derrick Rose, Cade Cunningham. That's our good rookie, so I'll set that one down here. And a rookie, Keon Johnson. So I want to leave these two up. That's going to have to be it for the video. So this is what we got. We got this Cade Cunningham, this Keon Johnson, Alfred Payton, Jason Tate, Luka Garza, Jordan Clarkson, and a Joshua Primo. So those are our cards that we got. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace